Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm very excited about today's video because I have collaborated with Tata Cliq Palette to create this wedding guest makeup look. All the products which I'm going to use to create this look are some great drugstore products which are available at an amazing discount on Tata Cliq Palette app. Tata Cliq Palette is an interactive e-commerce platform where you can shop and explore endless beauty content. There are a lot of cool things which you can do in this app. It has an amazing community of influencers and experts. You can personalize the app to get recommendations as per your preferences, and the platform has more than 800 authentic brands across all categories. There are giveaways happening on the app as well. 10 lucky winners will win exciting hampers from Tata Cliq Palette. The hamper has some amazing beauty products worth more than 5,000 rupees. The rules to win this hamper are pretty simple. You stand a chance to win if you comment on this video and shop on Tata Cliq Palette. 5 lucky winners will be chosen from the comment section of this video, and 5 winners will be chosen from everyone who shops during the sale week. The winners will be chosen after the sale ends, so you have about 1 week to participate and stand a chance to win. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below, so please check it out. And now without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Let's start with the application of the primer. For primer, I'll use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Primerizer. I really like this primer, guys, because this is not just a primer which gives you a smooth base. It is also a lightweight moisturizer. It is infused with shea butter, so it really softens and nourishes the skin. Also, this is a dewy primer, guys. Once you blend it out on your skin, it adds a natural glow to it. Now moving on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Now this is one concealer that you actually cannot go wrong with. It is really lightweight, it is high coverage, it is long wearing, and it also doesn't get heavy under the eyes. This one gives a lot of coverage without feeling heavy or thick. It's also really easy to blend this concealer. You can blend it with a sponge or a brush. Next, for foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This foundation is a beautiful lightweight foundation. It blends seamlessly into the skin and it gives a very natural skin-like finish. Can you see how good it looks? My skin looks like my skin, but better. Now there's one more thing. Obviously, whenever I can, I give you like a mini review of all the products that I use during a tutorial, but I understand that it can get confusing sometimes. So when you go on Tata Cliq Palette app, the first thing they ask you is to make your beauty profile. Like you can choose your skin type, your hair type, your skin concerns, and according to the details that you provide, they personalize the app for you. You'll find tons of useful content and product recommendations in the app itself as per your preferences. I was browsing the app last night and I found this feature so cool. When you go to the homepage of the app, there's so much of content that you can see and learn from. Now moving on to filling up the eyebrows. To fill up my eyebrows, I'll use Maybelline Tattoo Brow. This product is pigmented, it is easy to use, and it is so long lasting. I've tried and tested it. It lasts all day long. It also kind of sets your brows, you know. So if you're using this product, you actually don't need to separately set your brows because it keeps your eyebrows in place all day long. Now let's get to eye makeup. For eye makeup today, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Palette. This is a really pretty color story for a palette. There's a warm tone palette, but it has the perfect mix of like deeper, colorful, warm tone colors and neutral colors. It's kind of a perfect palette for this wedding and festive season because you can create a lot of glamorous looks with it. But at the same time, you can use it for your simple neutral looks too. For today's look, I'm first going to dive into this shade. It's called Lavish. I'm dipping a fluffy brush into this shade and I'm going to apply this shade all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade, it's called Sahara, and I'm going to apply it on the crease as well. I'll blend it with this pink shade that we applied. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette, it's called Splendid, and I'm going to apply it in the outer and inner corner of my eyelid. These shades are really pigmented, so I do not need to build them up more. I think this much looks good enough. Just one more time to clean up my crease, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm running it on my crease in circular motion. Now I'm going to take this shade from the palette, it's called Glimmer, and with my finger itself, I'm going to place it in the center of my eyelid. This is such a beautiful shimmery color. Look at the pigment of this color. I also did not have to take a lot of color to get this kind of pigmentation. It is beautiful. Now we're going to clean up this look a little bit. I'm going back to the shade Splendid and very lightly I'm going to apply it in the inner and outer corner of my eyelid, blending it with the shimmery shade. Without taking any more color, I'm running this brush lightly on my crease. Now just one last time, I'm going to go back to the shade Sahara with a fluffy brush and lightly run it on my crease. All these steps ensure that your look is super neat. I'm going to apply the same shade in my lower lash line as well. The eye look is finally complete. Now let's move on to eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'll use L'Oreal False Cat Eye. This is a waterproof sketch liner and the tip of this eyeliner is very sharp. So if you get a lot of trouble in creating wing liners, this one can come in super handy. I'm going to create a wing liner with this. I'm done creating the eyeliner on both of my eyelids and this was pretty easy to do. Next for mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl. This is one of those cult Maybelline mascaras that you cannot go wrong with. It is very easy to use, it lifts the lashes really well and adds volume. For blush, I'm actually going to use a shade from the eyeshadow palette itself. Remember the shade Splendid? I'm going to use this shade as a blush. Not many people use this hack, but you can actually use your eyeshadows as your blushes as well. And especially with this palette, the colors, they blend so well that you can use any of the shade from the palette as a blush. Now moving on to highlighter, and I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution. It's called Revolution Cheek Kit Fresh Perspective, and these are all the shades that you get in this highlighter palette. These highlighters are very smooth and there are no glitter chunks. I'm going to use this shade from the palette. For lips, I'm going to use Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Dusty Rose. This is a transfer-proof lipstick with great color payoff. The best thing is that it feels comfortable on the lips. It does not make your lips dry. And lastly, to set my makeup, I'll use Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating Fixing Spray. This setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid. It feels comfortable on the skin makes your makeup last all day long and gives a dewy finish. I also want to tell you that if you want more information on any of the products which I've featured in today's tutorial, you can go to Tata Cliq Palette app. You can open that product page. You can search for the product and open the product page. There you'll find everything that you need to know about any product. You'll find all the finer details, the ingredients, how to use, what the product is about, everything in the product page. It's also explained in the app in a simplified manner, so it is very easy for anyone to understand. Now let's apply this. And that's it, guys. This is my final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, I want to tell you that all the offers that you saw, they're exclusively available only on Tata Cliq Palette app. You can easily download the app from Play Store or App Store. It is available for Android and iOS both. These offers are limited time offers, so if you are interested in picking something up, then now is the perfect time to check it out. I have been exploring the app since the time I downloaded it, and I'm pretty sure you all are going to have a great shopping experience with it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you, and I'm going to see you in the next one soon. Bye.